Hey you guys, Ivy's here. Welcome to my channel. What's up? So today we're going to be cooking some pork chops. So for those who don't know how to cook a pork chop, watch this video. It may or may not help you. You may or may not laugh. Let me stop capping. You are going to laugh because it's Ivy. Nah, but with that being said, come follow me to the kitchen, okay? Pot coffee now. And this, my friends, are the pork chops that we will be cooking today. Yummy! And these are the ingredients. Can never forget my best friend, sazon. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put that pork chop on the cutting board so you can season it. Alright, so you're going to take the adobo. Make sure you sprinkle both sides. Sprinkle, sprinkle. You want that flavor to be running. Onion powder is next. Cordy. Oh, so you're gonna do it for both sides. Come on. We're focusing, guys. Focusing. Next, we're gonna use the garlic powder. Sprinkle, sprinkle. It's gonna be so good. Okay, so when sprinkle both sides, make sure you flip that bad boy over when you flip the other side, you know what I'm saying? Then we're gonna use sea salt. With sea salt, 1 time. Spring. Not even sprinklers. Spring. You feel me? Spring. That's all you need. You don't need too much sea salt because you don't want to be like, ugh. Black pepper if you want. Maybe so. This pork chop is for my husband. He doesn't really like pepper. Steak and chop seasoning. Ooh. Let me tell you, when I say this, it's just yummy. Oh, and you can't forget your best friend sazon. It might not be your best friend, but it's my best friend. Because it's so flavorful. Yeah, you're going to sprinkle that all around. Make sure you get in the creases. Y'all know my motto. Get in the creases. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Okay. So, yes. Sorry. Let's get it back together. Come on. Focus, guys. Alright, so you're just going to rub that all in so that it can be all covered. I am getting hungry thinking about this. I'm about to eat again. Okay, and look at that. It's supposed to look just like this. You're going to place it in the oil just like so. Already warm. And voila. Here you have it. You see how it's just like, oh, that is so flavorful. I love that. I don't know about you, but I do. So that's why I cook it that way, okay? All right, look at that. Ooh, let me serve it on a dinner platter. And of course, you can't forget the avocado. And that, my friends, are the finished product. Taste test. Oh, you want to taste it when you taste it. You know this right here? This just makes me wanna. Let me taste them. I don't even need to be cooking like this. Like, this right here is Chef Boy or Ivy. All that together gave me a shock. I'm gonna finish this real quick. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'm just saying. Watch the video. Maybe you learn a thing or two. Maybe not. But you gonna laugh. Alright, I gotta go.